Hey, what's up everybody? Thank you all so much for coming back for another video. My name is Dooley, graphic designer, self-taught calligrapher, if you do not know by now. And also, I want to say thank you first and foremost to all of you who have subscribed. I appreciate you taking the time to do so. I enjoy interacting with you all. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. That is amazing. I appreciate it, and I appreciate you. In this video, we're going to talk about my complete process for designing a poster. Got the topic right here. My complete process using Procreate, and I'll show you the sketch to completion. And with that said, let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, first and foremost, this poster was a prompt from this email list I'm subscribed to called Homwork, HOMWORK. And the phrase, as you see here beside me, it is rise up, show up, and unite. So these words are used to, well, first off, before we continue into the video, make sure that you go out and vote. I already did my duty, and you just got to do yours. And back to what I was saying. So these phrases were rise up, show up, unite. And at first I thought to myself, you know what, these words actually were very, very powerful. And how do I want them to be represented? What is the correct word? Represented. My goodness. And then I thought, okay, I'm gonna obviously do sketches, and then I did one, and then one of the sketches, I said, okay, it's not being represented how I want, and also then another thing, the legibility of it would be getting lost, and maybe not everybody could actually read it. So then I went with a sketch that you see beside me, and that one, it is what got us to the version that I ended up going with. Going with the, as you see, the chunky type, and then after this, I'm going to show you a process video of me completing the piece, but I'll probably put that at the end of the video. And so, as you see, I went with a few simple elements with the design, and I am also a practitioner of that. Adding so much stuff to a piece is not going to make it better if your letters are not good. And as you see here, I have the stuff that I did using tracing paper. And after I used the tracing paper, I just snapped a picture of it and took it into Procreate. And as I had mentioned, you're gonna see the Procreate time lapse at the end of this video. And that, you just see me going through. I wanted to choose the simple colors, red, white, and blue, since it is a political poster. And the overall process for me, what made it so much easier, I have to say, was sketching with a pencil and paper in my sketchbook. Because hold on, let me see if I have any other sketches really quick. Not just these two. I already had an idea of how I wanted this to look, and what really helped me push it even more was using the tracing paper. And then I knew that the main thing for me was to get down the letters, and then I could take it into Procreate, and it's not going to be much more difficult using all the tools. And as you see, I started out with simple pencil and paper, then took a picture in Procreate, and then in Procreate It's just all about getting out the letters, the layout, if you want to add anything else in, colors, how you want the type to look. And then after getting it in Procreate, as you see here, you see how the poster turned out. And then after Procreate, and I finished it, I took it into Photoshop. And as you see here, I modified it. By modifying it,